Hey there, history buffs. Welcome to another fascinating journey into the past. Ever wonder what exactly qualifies as an artifact in archaeology? It's a question that might seem simple at first, but there's a lot more to it than you might think. Well, let's dive right in and uncover the layers of meaning behind these ancient objects. Artifacts are any artificial products made by humans. Simple, right? But wait, there's a deeper story here, but there's more to it. These objects are not just random items, they are pieces of a larger puzzle that tell us about human history and culture. We need to break down a few key aspects: the product, the artificial, the person, and the creation process. Each of these elements adds a layer of complexity and significance to what we call an artifact. First off, what's a product? It's more than just an item. It's the result of a creative act, a tangible manifestation of human ingenuity. It's the result of a creative act. Think of it as a tangible object that someone, somewhere put effort and skill into making. Think of it as a tangible object. These objects can range from the simplest tools to the most intricate pieces of art. It can be made from materials like stone, shell, or clay. The choice of material often tells us a lot about the technology and resources available to the people who made them. The critical part here is artificial. This means the object has been modified or used by humans, setting it apart from natural items. It's this human touch that makes an artifact truly special. This means the object has been modified or used by humans, setting it apart from natural items. The modifications can be subtle or significant, but they always indicate human intervention. Next, let's talk about human agency. This is a crucial aspect because it differentiates human-made objects from those created by animals or natural processes. While animals can make things like bird nests, archaeological artifacts need to show clear signs of human activity. This could be in the form of tool marks, design patterns, or other modifications. Think fracture patterns on stone tools, or the intentional design of pottery. These are clear indicators that humans were involved in their creation. These modifications are unmistakably human. They tell a story of innovation, adaptation, and survival. Now, the phrase "made by a person" is significant. It's in the past tense because we're talking about objects from previous time periods. This historical context is what makes artifacts so valuable to archaeologists. It's in the past tense because we're talking about objects from previous time periods. This temporal context is crucial in archaeology. It helps us place these objects within a broader historical framework. This temporal context is crucial in archaeology. Understanding when an artifact was made can provide insights into the culture and lifestyle of the people who created it. Another important distinction is between artifacts and archaeological sites. While artifacts are individual objects, sites are the locations where these objects are found. An artifact is a portable object you find in the archaeological record. These objects can be moved and studied in different settings. A site, on the other hand, is where these artifacts and other evidence are found in their natural setting. Sites provide the context that helps us understand the significance of the artifacts. Sites can have a single artifact or many, and may include various other materials. The diversity of finds at a site can offer a more comprehensive picture of past human activity. Archaeologists also categorize artifacts into portable and non-portable types. This categorization helps in interpreting findings and understanding the different ways people interacted with their environment. By distinguishing between portable and non-portable artifacts, archaeologists can better understand the use and significance of these objects. And don't forget, traditional artifacts are different from ecofacts or midden debris. Ecofacts are natural objects that have been used by humans, while midden debris consists of discarded materials. Things like discarded food remains may not show human modification clearly. However, they still provide valuable information about diet and daily life. This nuanced understanding of artifacts enriches the study of archaeology. It allows us to piece together the past in a more detailed and accurate way. It encourages us to explore its many aspects further. The more we learn, the more we realize how interconnected and complex human history truly is. So next time you hear about an artifact, you'll know there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Each artifact is a window into the past, offering a glimpse of the lives and cultures that came before us. Thanks for tuning in and keep digging into history. There's always more to discover and learn.